So I am outside of a house that we were doing a fix and flip deal on. The seller did not believe us. They did not think we could get as much as we said we could after it's renovated, although I am very confident that we will. In fact, I think we'll even do better than we initially had thought. But I'm showing you this. We've ripped the old siding off and we're maybe halfway through putting the trim on. We're gonna start the siding tomorrow. You'll see some of the old siding here and over on the back of the house. But what's unique about this house is our strategy is it was kind of halfway there to be an illegal duplex, you know, like where the basement can be rented out. Like if you live upstairs, you can rent out the basement to help pay for your rent. And so that's what we're finishing off. We added this here for a stackable washer dryer so we could have laundry upstairs and downstairs. So we're in the middle, this floor is going in, we'll have that flooring throughout. Got the new cabinets in. New appliances are all here. So there's two sets of appliances. That's why we're seeing so many appliances. There's a whole kitchen in the basement too, which we'll look at here shortly. Here, got our typical, what we normally do for bathrooms is a brand new bathroom. Here is a bedroom. Another bedroom, another bedroom. So we have 3 beds, a bathroom, a kitchen, and laundry area upstairs. Now downstairs, so we have this door here that will lock to separate the 2 units. Here's the door off of the garage, right? So you can park in the garage and go around front if you are gonna live in the top unit. If you're the bottom unit, you open the door, go ahead downstairs, which we'll look at here in a sec. Thought I'd show you the backyard though. It's a total mess. Big mound of dirt we need to spread out everywhere. Just trash. Believe it or not, we've already hauled like 4 dumpsters, 4 30-yard dumpsters out of here, and there's still all this trash to go. But we'll finish hauling all this crap out of here, clean it up, make it look nice. So let me show you the basement unit. It's really easy to command a high price for a home when the buyer sees that they can cover their mortgage by renting out the basement. So here we got a living room area off the basement. There's wood paneling that was existing. We left it there. We drywalled the ceiling. Left the wood paneling, which we'll paint white. Here, there was no drywall over there. There was already cabinets down here. So they had already started this concept. They hadn't finished it off. There was no drywall behind the cabinets. It was just like concrete walls. So we took the cabinets out, we set them there. That's the cabinets that were already there. We'll put them back. Put drywall up, now we'll put the cabinets back. We put a drywall ceiling in too. So we're just making this feel like it should, like a decent kitchen with an eating kitchen. So we'll have a dining room table here, have our kitchen back there, and oh, sorry, laundry, by the way, is also back in this back corner. You kind of see the stub out. So we have kitchen on that wall, laundry there, dining room table, living room, and we made 2 bedrooms down here. This used to be like a storage room, and this was like an unfinished storage area. We finished the storage area so we get a bedroom, and we moved the door over here. So this is now a walk-in closet off the bedroom. So that helped with this one. This bedroom had no closet. Like it used to go back to there. It was like a bedroom with no closet. So we bumped this off of this wall to make this closet. It's still a good sized room. So now we've got 2 bedrooms down here, and we're still in the middle of finishing up this bathroom. But we'll have a 2-bed, 1-bath, laundry and kitchen in the basement, and a 3-bed, 1-bath, laundry and kitchen upstairs. That will make this property worth a lot more than it was before, and will help make it a very profitable fix and flip deal. So if you want to learn more about fix and list and fix and flip deals, we have a group where we discuss all the deals that all of us are doing. I share with you the details of all of my deals, including this one. In fact, you might be, if you're in the group, you're watching this video in the group page, but I go over all the numbers, share all my contracts. I show you how we do fix and list deals. That's where we fix up the homeowner's house with our money and then sell it for them at the top of the market. And so I have about half my deals are fix and list, half of them are fix and flip. I'll share the numbers for all the deals that I'm doing and give you everything you need to build out your marketing machine to bring in motivated seller leads so you can find and do deals like this one we were just looking at yourself in your own market. You can rip off and duplicate my business model and do it in your own market. If you want to learn more about that, head over to selfmadeflipper.com. That's selfmadeflipper with 2 P's.com. Thanks for watching.